Hi, I'm Stuart. I'm the market segment leader for health at Becker. Today I'm going to talk to you about our service called asset risk profiling. Let's take a hospital for example. Everyone knows they're full of operating theatres, patients, x-ray machines and the like, but there's thousands of engineering pieces of equipment such as air handling units, pumps, generators, pipeworks and the like that keep the place operating. Some of these items, if they broke down, you wouldn't even notice. Other items, if they break down, the result could be absolutely catastrophic. So that's why here at Becker we created asset risk profiling. This is a service that identifies your critical assets and quantifies the risk to your business if something were to go wrong. So that's great, but how does it work? Step 1 is we meet with you to identify which assets you want to include in the review. Step 2 is we then visit site to collect data on each of those assets that we've identified. This could be photos, manufacturer's data from nameplates. We then load this data into one place in a cloud-based tool. Step 3, we take that information and combine it with information around the age of the asset and previous failure history, process that through our algorithm, which gives us a likelihood of failure score. Step 4, we then work with you to identify what the impact a failure of that asset would have on your business. Be it the impact on a patient, for example, a whole department, or even a building. We then bring everything together to provide an overall risk rating. This is great because it provides actual data you can use to prioritise end-of-life replacements, upgrade projects to reduce reliance on particular assets, and we use the data to support business cases to seek funding for both those initiatives. So if you're a business with lots of moving parts and service continuity is important to you, give us a call.